Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to create a custom Shopify error 404 page. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. An error 404 page is going to be extremely important if you are building an online store. Search that in your integration section on the top, and you will have a lot of page builders that are going to be providing you this service. So you can see, and this is, say we have Magic 404. I suggest you this one, and you can build the best type of pages using this. And you can see 404 page not found. The page you were looking for does not exist and stuff like that. So yeah, make sure to do integrate this onto your platform. It is going to be boosting your integrity of the site and saving up you some of the precious resources. So I hope this helps and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.